Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make apple pie in Minecraft. First, you will need to gather your ingredients. You'll need 3 apples, which you can get by breaking leaves from oak or dark oak trees. Next, find some sugarcane to craft 2 sugar. Don't forget to collect 1 egg from a chicken. Finally, you will need 3 wheat to make the dough. Now, let's craft the dough and the unbaked pie. Open your crafting table and place 3 wheat in a horizontal row to create 1 piece of dough. With your dough ready, combine it with 1 egg and 2 sugar in the crafting grid. This specific arrangement will yield 1 unbaked apple pie, ready for the next step. With your unbaked apple pie crafted, it's time to bake it to perfection. Place the unbaked pie into the top slot of a furnace. In the bottom slot, add any fuel source you have available, such as coal, charcoal, or wood. The furnace will then begin to cook your pie, transforming it into a delicious, edible treat. Congratulations, your apple pie is now ready to enjoy. This delightful treat restores 8 hunger points, which is 4 full hunger icons, and provides 4 saturation points. Simply select the pie in your hotbar and right-click to consume it. It's a fantastic and easy-to-make food source for any adventurer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.